Hey friends, if you wish to fix slow keyboard response in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to change the keyboard battery, and I have noticed it that for Bluetooth keyboards, this is one of the main reasons for the problem because Bluetooth keyboards have a slow response if there is no battery. I mean, the battery attached to the external keyboard is weak. The next one is to update keyboard drivers and Bluetooth drivers if it is connected using Bluetooth. So here's what you have to do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for keyboards, right click and update drivers, and do the same for the Bluetooth drivers as well. Which Bluetooth driver? The MediaTek Bluetooth adapter. Right click and update driver. Okay. The next solution is to turn off filter keys. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. Select keyboard in the right pane and turn all these three switches off for sticky keys, filter keys and toggle keys. And lastly, perform a clean boot on your system. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.